Hi mechanics, today I'm going to teach you how to clean the air filter of your window air conditioner. I'm working on a Croma-branded air conditioner with the model number CRAC1156. You must clean the air filter of any air conditioner you use frequently. If not, the dust in the air inside your room or home won't be filtered. The role of the air conditioner is to cool the air in your room. For that, it uses only the air inside your room. Air conditioners suck the air inside the room and run it through an evaporator. The evaporator absorbs the heat from the air, cooling it down, and then supplies it to your room. The air filter is placed before the evaporator. It removes dust from the incoming air. Removing dust from the incoming airflow may help to increase the lifetime of the evaporator. First, you must turn off the power to the air conditioner and unplug it from the wall socket. Then, unclip the front cover of the air conditioner from below and hoist it. This is the air filter. If you haven't cleaned it in a while, this filter may be full of dust. Mine seems clean today. Slowly remove the air filter from its holders and carry it to a high-pressure water source. The best high-pressure water source in our home is the bidet shower. I recommend that you use it. It will quickly clean all the dust on your air filter. You can also use the same at your office. Afterwards, clean all the dust by running your hand in this manner. These filters are made of fiberglass, pleated cotton, plastic fibers, and washable and reusable materials such as cloth. Therefore, do not use any type of brush to clean the filter, as it may damage the filter and reduce its accuracy.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Then, keep the air filter for a while until it gets dry and then reinstall it in this manner. Now your window air conditioner is ready to operate. Enjoy! Subscribe to my channel to become the mechanic and electrician of your home and be a proud husband, brother, and father. Thank you.